Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to another episode of Folklore and Culture. So, we are going to talk about the nomadism. So, we were already talking about nomadism and migration a lot. We'll take this a little higher. We'll be talking about the hunting gathering tribes. It's also very interesting to know that these hunting gathering tribes are very primitive in its ways, and the ways of subsistence has changed a lot in all of these centuries, but these tribes are still following the same patterns of subsistence. Nature is their way of subsistence. So they collect different types of roots, different edible flowers, leaves which are edible, and even do fishing or hunting. So with the help of dogs, they chase these small animals like rabbit, iguana. The dogs help them to catch, but they kill these small animals with the use of the weapons they have. On the other hand, different tribes have different ways of catching fish. For example, Challa Yanadis, they have implements like harpoons, hooks, snares and traps. The Kadars, for example, they have a unique way to catch fish. They build small dikes, such as kind of building a certain dam in a stream, so that they can put a bark which is poisonous in its element, and the fish fall into the trap and they die and they catch the fish. So throughout centuries, it's interesting to understand that how the ways of subsistence of these tribes have changed their economic life, their social aspects, even their cultures. So, an interesting example is of Chenchus. So, they are generally known as Chechuvaru, and they live in pockets of Andhra Pradesh, certain districts like Kurnool, Mehboob and Guntur. Until 1947, it is recorded that they were living in an area between British administered Madras Presidency and the Nizam estate. So the forest was their home, and they were open to hunt and gather over there. They generally had a semi-nomadic life, and they hunted small animals and gathered roots, flowers, fruits, berries, tubers, and they were getting regular supply of food over there. Sometimes when they had to move, they would move another part of the forest so that they can get enough food. So they were living a semi-nomadic life. So here we end the discussion for the day, but do remember to subscribe or follow me so that you can hear such content in the future as well. And I would certainly like to hear from you whether you're liking this content or not, whether you want to discuss certain parts of it or not. And even if there are certain suggestions, it's very much welcome. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. Bye-bye.